we go a little fast. So now we are talking about the presentation, means the wrapper of the chocolate. Now comes the inner content. Now what is the inner content? The inner content is your nature, then your behavior from within, your thought process. So that is the chocolate. So if the inner content is good, then you are going to like the chocolate. Now what is the core? So you eat the chocolate, but the taste you cannot describe. So that is abstract. You cannot touch the taste, you cannot see the taste, but you can feel the taste. So your core is the one, that is the energy field. Like say we talk about big personalities, say Swami Vivekananda. 12 January was his birthday. So whenever he used to talk to people, there is a sort of magnetism in his personality. So आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता होगा कि किसी किसी टीचर के साथ क्लास में ऐसा लगता है कि yes, we keep on listening to our teacher, or we keep on talking to some friends. So there is some sort of magnetism, energy field in that person. That is the core of your personality. So when we talk about personality development, or how personality can add to our self development, we have to understand all these three areas and we have to work on it. सिर्फ समझ के कुछ नहीं होगा, we have to work on it. And individually, today you are listening to me, so you can keep on asking yourself that yes, where am I? So let me tell you, you please take a notepad and a pen and keep checking yourself. So some questions also I will be asking. So if you know that yes, these are my minus points, these are my plus points, so obviously you can work on that. And you can message me also, you can tell your teachers, they can also contact me. So now I am asking you some questions. The first is, do I keep myself presentable all the time? Now, presentable does not mean that you have to wear very good expensive clothes. Presentable simply means that yes, whatever I am wearing, is it properly ironed? Say at 9 o'clock in the night, is if somebody comes to your house, so can you just go and greet him, or you will rush to your room that oh, somebody has come, no, I have to go to my room, I have to change. So are you presentable all the time that yes, if anybody comes, can you just talk to that person? Can you just attend that person? So ask yourself, yes or no. Rate your speech. What percent of warmth is in your speech? जब भी आप किसी से बात करते हो तो आपकी जो स्पीच है उसमें कितनी वार्मथ होती है, कि आप कितना प्यार से किसी से बात करते हो, एरोगेंस से किसी से बात करते हो, चिढ़के किसी से बात करते हो. सपोज आपकी मम्मा ने आज आपके पसंद का खाना नहीं बनाया एंड यू गेट इरिटेटेड, ओ मम्मा आप मेरी पसंद का खाना नहीं, और हाउ एवर यू रिएक्ट. सो जस्ट रेट योर स्पीच. फुल डे में कितनी बार आप किसी से वार्म से बात करते हो, या इरिटेशन से बात करते हो, या एडमेंसी से, या फिर से बदतमीजी से. Okay, now the third question is, do I have a different way of talking to people? Do you speak to people depending on their status? Suppose you are talking to a cab driver, a rickshaw wala, then your speech is different. If you are talking to your teachers, your speech is different. If you are talking to some very rich person, your speech is different. So just understand आप किससे कैसे बात करते हो. So the guideline is that when I talk about the core of personality, the way you talk to people, that makes an impression that yes, where does this person stand? जैसे ही आपने मुंह खोला, then the other person immediately understand that what is the where does this person stand, उसकी क्या है प्लेटफॉर्म, कहाँ वो स्टैंड करता है. तो वो एकदम से पता चल जाता है कि कहाँ स्टैंड करता है. Okay. In a day, what percent of abusive language do you realize in your speech? See, this is very common these days. I know that, yes, I have been, my companions are students only. Not only from Nasik, but from all over the world. So this is a blessing for me, because I keep on talking to students, so I am always updated about their thought process. So students do use abusive language, but abusive language is a barrier to your personality development. So there is a science. See, what I work on, that is thought management. तो अभी तो इतने टाइम नहीं है, but sometime we can take a session on how abusive language brings bad luck in your life. So that is perfectly scientific कि what you talk that you receive, what you think that you receive. तो अभी हम इसकी नहीं बात करेंगे, but you just rate yourself कि पूरे दिन भर में कितने परसेंट आपकी लैंग्वेज अब्यूजिव होती है, चाहे हंसी मजाक में हो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो, but students do use abuses. Now rate your behavior with your family, friends, teachers, because you know आपका behavior ही count करता है. And do you easily get irritated? जल्दी से irritate होते हो, गुस्सा आता है किसी पे भी? Now comes how confident are you? कितने confident हो आप? Now confident is very important. मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगी कि how confidence helps you and how your speech, the way you speak, helps you. One of my students, she's not from Nasik, but in the lockdown period, she just went for an interview. It was some IT company, I suppose. She just went for an interview. And she was just a graduate. She was not an engineer also. She just went. So she went for, say, level 1 position. But then when she gave the interview, the way she spoke, the softness in her speech, the warmth in her speech, the people, the interviewer got so impressed that he took her interview 3 times. 3 different people took her interview, and ultimately she was awarded the level 3 position. So she has recorded a Zoom interview also with me. So that matters. Sometimes even your education is not that important. Sometimes maybe you are a second class, but with what confidence you are speaking, that plays a very important role in getting the job. How well can you talk to strangers? See, many of you, because it's not for you, but when I am talking about in general about all the students, that many students, they have the say hesitation to talk to strangers. They are not very comfortable. But you rate yourself. Can you talk to strangers nicely? So when I am asking you all these questions, basically I am giving you a criteria where you can judge. And if you feel that yes, there is a scope for development, so of course you have to work out on yourself. Now, if we talk about personality, so in personality comes what? In the outer personality comes the gesticulations, the language, the language. So I must say, of course, our mother tongue is Marathi, our mother tongue is Hindi, or any other language, but English is also very important, because what I feel in this area, many students are lacking. You have to have a good command on English. Why? Because it is the language of communication. So if you want to excel in your career, in your personality development also, if you want to have the impression on others, so basically you should have a good command on English. And I am not against, say, our mother tongue is most important for us, but still, to survive in this world, we have to learn everything. So your dressing is important, your presentation is important, your posture is important, your speech is important, your etiquettes are important, your tone is important. Tone also matters a lot. जिस तरह से आप बात करते हो, हर बात में आप चिढ़ के बात करते हो, you get irritated very fast, or you have a very humble. You know, very great people are always very humble. So that is important. Now, I just gave you one criteria. Now, let us go in another way. We just talk about the outer personality. So now we will be understanding the inner personality, so which creates the base for your outer personality. So I ask you one question. Hi, do you really know yourself? Uh, you will say that ma'am has already given us a criteria about our negatives. But now let us come to the positive, because I know that all of you are unique. because there is no parallel for you. Say your name is, say, Shikha. So Shikha, there is no one in this world like Shikha, because she has a different thought process. She has a different way of behaving. She is creative in a different sense. So there is no parallel for you. You are unique. But do you know yourself? Do you know about all your talents? Do you know what are the positives in you? Maybe not. Why? Because you don't spend so much time with yourself. You know, all our life we keep on trying to know others. We keep on trying to gather the knowledge about this world, but we hardly spend time to know ourselves. If only you can know yourself that yes, this is me. See, the name is imaginary. This is me, Shikha, and I'm intelligent, I'm creative, I love nature, I have so much of talent. So if you know yourself, then you can always perform better in this world. Often you underestimate yourself. Okay, how many of you feel that yes, I can do everything, I have confidence, and whatever I want, I have the power to do it. Many a times, if you don't underestimate yourself, it is very good, but most of the time people feel that no, I won't be able to do it. And the moment you say, जैसे ही आपने कहा कि ये मुझसे नहीं होगा, so believe me, फिर वो आपसे नहीं ही होगा. And उसके पीछे भी what force works behind that, that is the thought management. If you think I can do it, you will be able to do it. If you think I cannot do it, you won't be able to do it. So don't underestimate yourself. For that, you have to work out on your thoughts. So think positive. Yes, whatever is the situation, I will perform my best. So you will come out as a winner in your life. Now, the third important thing is the inner personality of yours is wow factor of life be yes, here wow factor of life be undiscovered. There is a small spelling mistake. It has to be discovered. So mind it. So the wow factor of life. So what is the wow factor of life? When I say wow factor of life means what? Means the joy of life. On the second slide, I have mentioned the first point is that am I unique? Am I precious? Do I underestimate myself? Do people underestimate me? Am I always happy